One of them racks up, had to get it on waste time. I fuck up a chick, all on my neck, young nigga shine. I'm speeding, young racist. I'm rolling in the matrix. I'm shorty, yeah, she naked. Can't fuck that hoe, she basic.
So what?
But do intro, bro, so I can come back.
Yes, sir, YouTube.
Go ahead, bro. You hype this shit.
Alright, it was good, y'all. Welcome back to another mukbang. Got my bro in the cut.
There you
Never
go.
know what this is. Do a little intro, bro. Introduce yourself.
That. It's about one more AJ, man. I'm back here with another burger.
Another burger. And in this video, we're just gonna be talking about this trip. Talking about what we did, you know what I'm saying? How this Miami trip. And we leave tomorrow. Sure. So bro, how you like Miami since you been down here? Fuck with it? Fuck with Miami?
Of course. He's talking about job and shit. That's good. Yo, I gotta try this.
What?
Put these joints on your burger. This joint good.
What's that?
Not
Doritos?
Yeah. You know what?
Let me see what you fucking with. Good. Oh yeah, bro, how you feeling Miami? It's first time down here and shit.
Not my first time, bro.
Man, just kept for the camera, bro.
I swear to God, I put my leg. I put my brother right now.
You been there before?
Yes, bro.
I swear you said it's your first time.
My first time on an airplane.
Y'all drove down here?
What?
I drove down here?
Yes.
Fuck no. Bro, you seen how long that shit was? That shit was 17 hours. That nigga drove down here. I tripping.
It was a family trip. I was young boy though.
Alright. How you fucking with it now since you older?
Oh yeah, I can do more stuff. I can hang around more people. I can go out when I want. I can do what I want. I turned 17 down here. You know, live my best life and go home and get a job.
I'm gonna keep it a bean with y'all. We only did one public interview apiece. Tell them why, bro. Tell them why.
Everybody wants to speak like this. Okay.
Nobody down here speak English, dog. Like, that shit was so hard to find somebody to speak English. Look, these girls were either saying they don't want to be in the video, or they were saying they don't speak English. That's always getting hit with. We got a couple of people that was nice enough to be in our video. Why wouldn't you want to be on YouTube? Like, how she know how many subscribers? Like, what if I had 1 million subscribers and I shouted her out and she got like 10,000 people to follow her? This shit gonna be hype as shit. This shit gonna be on dick. But if we was to pull up in something right in front of her, I bet she hop in that video with them. But it's cool. They just gonna wish they was in our video soon. It was cool though. But yeah, when we get back to Philly, we right in the mall with it, where everybody speak English. Right in the mall with it. And where else you trying to go? You trying to go to Pennsylvania? Definitely trying to go to Pennsylvania. That joint will be popping.
I'm sorry, I'm not focusing on y'all real quick.
He digging his food. Tell y'all right now, before the camera cut on, he didn't even want to do this video. This nigga just wanted to eat. I told him, I said, bro, we gotta get this money. Well, I got the money.
He didn't say the money part, but he did say, bro, we gotta do the mukbang. Oh yeah. But you know what I meant? Saying we gotta do the mukbang.
I mean, we gotta give you the money. But yeah, bro. We definitely gotta slide back down here. Definitely. That shit. That was a bit. This trip.
Yeah, when I tell you, I seen the ass on the mobiles out here, dog.
What you call it?
Ass mobile.
Yeah, I'm telling y'all right now. The reason I really fuck with this trip, I at least lost one thing every day.
Yeah.
I lost my credit card. I don't know where that shit is. I lost my credit card. I lost my AirPods. I fell loose, but I lost them like every day.
Yeah, I'm gonna lost them on a bus.
I'm lost them on the bus. We was walking. They got like this free bus down here. I'm walking off that jump. That shit straight fall off my ear. I'm looking. I'm like, where that shit at? That shit was like behind the vent, under the seat. I don't know how that shit got behind there. It was like God telling me He don't want me to add them gems.
Who found them?
I was like, you hate this shit.
I should have just looked at it and laughed and went, "God, whatever, it's curved."
Give me the beam. I might not edit none of this. Let that shit roll out. I ain't edit the MukBang me you did. You wanna do another video for your channel? I don't know what we gonna do, but you gonna have to think of something when we doing this video.
All I'm gonna think of is your burger.
You hungry? Damn, nigga. You talking about me? Put your shit up to the camera. He did that joint. I wasn't even paying attention to him.
Like, yo,
I should have got some letters on my joint.
yo, you forgot something about him.
Say what you know what's up.
So let me
Talk your shit.
So basically, right, like 2 weeks ago, before we came to Miami, he said, "But I gotta lose because it's Miami body, right?" I said, "No, let me talk. I ain't need to rap you, I need to rap me." I'm like, "Yeah, bro, we gotta go." So Ramadan came, I gave my pass, I understand. So after Ramadan, I didn't think about going to the gym. I was focused. Then he didn't want to bring it up. It was like, I need to get in the gym, yo. I was like, and then he was like, "But I might stop eating chips." Yo, he got on stairs, dog. This nigga got sunflower seeds, fucking some all this other shit. And then he complained about his body weight. And then I be bedding on him and stuff to get him motivated. This nigga still digging food.
Yo,
Wait.
Oh,
So,
God.
so yo, I'm looking at Shake Shack. No, not Shake Shack. Sugar
Sugar Factory.
I'm looking at Sugar Factory. I'm going through these stuff to get something to eat. I'm looking. I see, oh, it's the brownie that you have. I'm like, bro, yo, they got your brownie up here. That's cool. This nigga, yo, bro, I'm about to get that job, bro. Yo, let me get that job.
Shots beat.
Mm-hmm.
I would go get my sister right there. She said she wanted to share it with me, so that's why I got it. And you went in the room and you acted yourself, so don't even try to flex in front of the camera.
Oh.
Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. Yo, this nigga disrespectful, dog. He talk about something. I'm like, bro, cash at me $10 so I can put it to the delivery fee because I don't get paid till tomorrow. Like, bro, cash at me $10. I spent all my, bro. Tell what happened. All our money, we went out to eat one day, and that shit took all my bread. The bill came out to $200. This nigga's looking at the bill like this. So maybe he straight face with it. So I'm like, bro, I'm not doing that shit. It came like $12. I mean, $200.
But that ain't fine though.
But yeah, so I'm like, bro, cash at me the $10. This nigga told us, alright, bro, give me 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups for what? This nigga got a picture of a brownie on his phone screen telling us, "Hey, bro, I'm gonna give you some motivation." Like that's some weird shit. Man, let's make the shot y'all wrong, right? Boy, you not flinching at me, come on, guys. On the streets. I'm from the streets though, bro. You can't hit me right.
I'm gonna have you fit that kid that fucking looking at. That burger look dry as shit.
It don't look.
Like the meat. Ain't got a double burger. That don't look good.
First of all, let me try to play. I told
I
you.
said that don't look good. What you talking about?
Because I didn't even order this shit. Ordered a singles and they gave me a double. Like they know I'm hungry as shit. That was a mirror kid. They're cool though. Bro, this shit cool.
Somehow, some of my little sister sent me to eat that.
It's not even a little sister. Well, that's my little sister. You keep calling his little sister.
That brother come eat.
Cause I told you to. Cause I took that I pay you back. Cause I'm on a budget right now. All my money is
You
gone.
got to pay me back.
Miami took all my bread.
You got to pay me back for my little
Well, don't
sister.
act like I have been calling lips and rods all over the fucking Miami and shit.
You got to pay me back, man. Only weird niggas say you got to pay their mans back. Like, if you get your mans some money, then that's your mans, dog. You can't gotta pay your own man back. That's corny shit.
Alright, so I ain't gotta pay you back?
Yeah, you gotta pay me back.
Yo, you just said that's corny. I don't want to show my whole street. I still gotta change that show. I still gotta change it. We a freak. Yeah, so get up.
Come on, little sister.
Huh?
Stand up. Well.
Yeah. We gotta come back down and what? I gotta bring the gang with me though. Only bro one nigga, but I gotta bring the gang with me. So when we get up,
We had wheels, dog.
when we get up, yeah. Now that I bet, if y'all go back to my previous MukBang, the first video I ever did on here, I said that I want to move to LA. I said my top 4 places are LA, Miami, Atlanta, and Texas. But since I've been in Miami, I don't move to the top. Miami is lit. I ain't gonna get to you. How you fucking your joint changed? You still LA still at the top? Miami went to the top. Miami went to the top of my list. Until I go to LA, Miami at the top right now. I fuck with that joint. I fuck with it here, bro.
It's crazy. Nice.
One thing about it,
This is the
everybody.
best juice, yo.
What?
Yeah, this is the best juice.
Shit, corny.
Why are they fucking retarded?
Bro, that fruit punch nasty. I don't like that joint.
That shit good. What you talking about? You talking bullshit.
You ever had the fruit punch soda?
Yeah, that shit fine.
That shit good. Alright, so what's the move for these next videos? Chubbs, what's the move for these next videos?
And that video is your channel. Tell them what you got coming up.
I think I got some more public interviews. Come on, cuz. I think I got some more public interviews.
man.
But they wanna know you know what I'm saying? You've been on my channel plenty of times. They wanna know what you got planned too. You know, your fans. Bro, we gotta watch all this shit when the camera. We gotta watch all this when the camera. I'm crying. Bro, you had the boxes in your boy? Yo, his jaw was I'm crying.
Yo, I was fucking at that.
Bro, I gotta watch all that when we get with this joint done, bro. What you got planned? What you got planned for your channel, bro? Oh my god, you fucking ugly. What you got planned, bro?
God, a lot of second shit.
Man, I'm telling y'all, yo. We gotta be patient with this shit, but I'm telling you, we gonna blow with this YouTube shit. Me and my man 1 mil.
Bet you I got them coming on my channel. I got
Got some public interviews, I got some pranks.
Yeah, I got the public interview job, man. I'm doing this public figure celebrity gym. I'm doing pickup lines, rappers lines. I'm doing all that shit, dog. And shit, I stay tuned to my man.
I wanna do a 24-hour job, but I don't know where we gonna do
25
that shit.
where at?
Probably like a Walmart.
Oh yeah, bro. We got to say you spend at your crib, and you say you spend at mine's.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at mom, come on, mom. Who the fuck he at? I was crying. I'm like, I don't know. They told me you was here. I'm just gonna tell you at a bitch crib. Oh my god. You fucking ugly. But yeah, man, I don't know what else to talk about. I might just end this job.
Sea swimming. Shit, wavy.
And we have waves in the front party. That's it. Nowhere else.
Anyways, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned to my man, dog. We got bangers dropping right and left. Whoa, don't touch. Let me freestyle.
That's you. Oh shit, that shit was ass.
Come on, give me some. Come on, real.
Pause, bro. Pause. Tell us, come on, give me some. Oh, I'm about to end this. Alright, I'm about to end this video. Y'all can't breathe. Alright, I'm about to end this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all go check out my last video. If not my last video, check out my next video. I don't know when this public interview gonna come out. Probably after this, John. So make sure y'all tune in for that, John. I'm trying to add some more stuff on it because it wasn't that long.
That's the best.
I tell y'all before, people don't speak English down this, John. I was having trouble trying to find people to be in this video and shit. But make sure y'all go sub to my man 1 mil AJ. It's gonna be in the description down below. And I got bangers coming for y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. And we out this joint.